Hey guys, so today I'm going to build a updraft kiln. I'm just going to spray down the bricks on the ground a little bit, just so they don't absorb all the moisture out of the clay immediately. That should do. Now I'm going to start building the kiln. Here's my bucket of clay slurry that I made. In between each brick stacking, I'm going to dip this in here, get it nice and covered, and then I'm going to lay it down. The first layer, however, I'm just going to take some and I'm going to just pour it on as a kind of mortar layer. Just mix this up every now and then and we're good to go. Okay, and then dip another one. Now that the bricks have all been laid and stuck together, I'm going to throw in the sand into the slurry that I have, mix it up real nice with the drill again, and then I'm just going to slap on all the sides and hopefully patch all holes. This is give or take probably 50% sand, 50% really plastic clay. That cracks a lot, so I'm hoping this will avoid a bit of cracking. I'm also going to add all this garden rubble. I sadly don't have any straw, but I've got a bunch of grass clippings and leaves and things. I'm hoping that's going to be good enough. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I've sealed up all the gaps with the clay. Now I've got this old grill that I'm going to put in there. I've just rested 3 bricks in the bottom, and this will lie on top of that. I'm done. It took me around 3 hours. I used about 60 or 70 bricks and about 2 of those buckets of clay. I hope it doesn't crack too much. I'm going to be testing this in my next video, so if you're keen to see more, please subscribe, and thanks for watching. I'll see you in another one.